Assalamualaikum. Today I would like to present about the highway toll system. We are from Group 10. My name is MOHD Yassir and my team members is ARIF, HARIEZ, ANIFA dan SHAHRUL HELMI. So for introduction, I will pass to my friend.
Alright, thank you, Yassir. Okay, now I will talk about the introduction of our topic, which is the toll system. Okay, firstly, as we know, toll system actually they are placed at the highway or expressway. The Malaysian expressway system is a network of national control access highway that create the network of Malaysia National Expressway. There were around 30 expressway in Malaysia and total length is about 2,000 kilometer. If we mix all the length of each highway, that is the total length of the highway in Malaysia. Every highway and expressway in Malaysia have a toll system, which is actually the toll system is for the government to collect tax from the road user, which is we, all of us. So there are two type of toll, which is the open system and closed system. Alright. Actually, the system used in the toll is electronic toll collection. There are three types of the electronic toll collection, which are touch and go, smart tag, and RFID. So the touch and go system is the mainly used, and this is obligate around the country since few past year, which is before that we use the cash system, but nowadays there's no cash system. And the touch and go system works when users stop at the toll plaza and they will scan the card at the toll plaza. For the smart tag, that is actually they are using the same card as the touch and go card, but the user didn't need to stop at the toll plaza and scan. Besides, the smart tag is the card will insert into a tool, which is you just the user just need to display in front of the car and can pass by the toll plaza. And the other one is RFID, which is called radio frequency identification. It's worked by automatically identify objects, collect data about them, and enter those data directly into the computer systems. Okay, at the expressway, there are many type of vehicle. So there are some vehicles that needs to pay for the toll, which are car, lorry, trailer, bus, and taxi. The only vehicle that didn't need to pay for the toll is the motorcycle or motorbikes. Okay, for our objective for our program, which is we will install the programming about the toll system, and then we can create a toll system using the C++ software. And then our objective is to create flowchart on the toll paying system and also display the coding and output of the toll system. Lastly, our objective for this programming is to analyze the information and features of the toll system. Okay, next I will pass to my friend. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. For the input, process, and output. For input, the user need to give an input of type of vehicle and the balance of the touch and go card, where the program need an input of the type of vehicle and balancing card. So next is the process. Process of the program is the program will calculate the balance in the card after transaction. So the balance in the card will subtract with the toll price. So the output we will receive a receipt, and we can print the receipt, and the output also we can view the time and the date of the transaction. Okay, this is the main function of our flowchart. And for the result of the program output. Okay, this is our program for the front page of the system. Okay, Of the front page of the system, we have our team member and the group number of group of our group, which is group 10. It displays the team members and our matrix number. And next is the main page of the highway toll system interface. It displays the selection of the car class, which is first is crate, second is lorry, third is trailer, fourth is taxi, and fifth is bus. And the user need to insert the type of vehicle of their vehicle, and you and we will calculate the toll price for them. Yes, I will pass to my friend Haris.
Okay, I will continue presenting the results. So after the user insert the input for the number selections of the car class, uh, the feed price for the selected car class will be shown. So then user need to insert input for the balance. User can insert the input by using whole or decimal numbers. Next, uh, the car class toll price for selected car class balance, which is balance minus toll price and time are shown or printed on the diagram of highway toll system is complete. If the user insert the input of balance below, the program will display paki tidak mencukupi. Then user need to return to car class selection to run the program again. Next, after the receipt is printed, the program will display anda ingin kembali ke menu utama, yes or no. So this is decision making. So if the user insert yes, the user can run the program again. But if the user insert no, the program will proceed to the last interface, which is the program is end. That's all for result. I will pass to my friend.
Okay, thank you. My name is SHAHRUL and this is for discussion. After finish coding this program and getting the output result, we found out that this program face some advantages and disadvantages in processing in highway toll program or system. Therefore, we got some suggestion and improvement for the better development of the program. Below we show a list of pros and cons as well as improvement to this tool system programming. Okay, this is for the tool program system, and as you can see, this is some advantages and disadvantages. For advantages, you can see the firstly, we reduce effort and risk of handling cash. Second, shorten the transaction time. Next is to increase security, flexibility in transaction processing. The lastly is to growth of your customer base and revenue via the Touch and Go platform. For this disadvantages is if a problem is the balance in the Touch and Go card is less of the toll terminal and there is no cash to top up. Next is to reducing employment opportunities, and you can see next is irresponsible user follow the car in the front closely and do not pay at the toll pay terminal. Last but not least is customer need to buy touch and go card. Okay, thank you. And I will pass to my friend.
Hi, my name is Muhammad ANIFA and I will proceed the slide on the limitation. So for this program, the user for this program only can register once when using this program and need to pay for their services. Other than that, Touch and Go terminal system nowadays does not provide customer to top up their balance at the terminal toll in Lembah Kerang due to prevent a long queuing at the road to avoid traffic jam. And customer also need to top up their balance using their phone with online banking, Touch and Go e-wallet, or customer can top up at petrol pump counter. Some highway that do not have enough Touch and Go, and then some highway do not provide enough Touch and Go lanes for customer. So here are some recommendations that can do to smooth the system. All highway operators needs to monitor the lane utilization and will advise to increase the lane when existing Touch and Go lanes are utilized at optimal level. Besides that, we also can provide more Touch and Go terminal system for customer to top up. So in conclusion of our system, our project able to construct a fully operational highway toll program system using C++ programming. And then this program also able to detect the balance from the user Touch and Go card and deduct it with the amount paid according to the car class. This program also generate output that will acknowledge the user that their balance their balance amount left, so that the user will know how much balance left in their Touch and Go card. And this program has successfully generated using all the requirement needed using array, data structure, decision making, looping, file processing, and data analysis. And finally, there are also some limitation and recommendation that have been stated for better improvement of this program in the upcoming future. So that's all from our group. That is group 10. Thank you.